Hi, good afternoon. This is Teacher Roger from Simply English Learning Center. Today we're going to talk about simple present continuous. This is by far the easiest tense that you'll learn, probably the easiest one that you'll use. I often hear students using it when they shouldn't use it because it's so easy. So let's talk about why we use it. Well, number one, it talks about now. It's the easiest thing. Look, I'm throwing my pen. Whenever you talk about now, you want to use the simple present continuous, okay? So right now, I'm talking to you now. The second reason we use the simple present continuous is to talk about pictures. Yeah, when you look at a picture, we use the simple present continuous. Take a look at this duck here. I have a duck. And what is it doing? The duck is quacking. That's the sound that's coming out of his mouth in that picture, okay? How do we make simple present continuous? Well, let's take a look at our pronouns again. Always use your pronouns. Remember, you can use this as a name as well. You can use Teacher Roger, right? Teacher Roger is eating. Let's take a look at it. The only thing that really changes here are two of them. Let's circle this one. Actually, let's circle it like this. Ooh. Right? I'll just circle it like that. Highlight this one, and then this one here as well, and we'll highlight this one. So as you can see, we use I and the verb be, which becomes am in simple present continuous, and then you are eating, he, she, or it is eating, we are eating, you are eating, they are eating, and again, he, she, it, and I are very special. Okay. Let's put a star. If it wasn't clear, let's put a star there. All right. So if you have any questions, always let us know. Thank you so much.